Hi everyone. So today we will just review a Cloversoft Basic laundry pod. So basically this is 4-in-1 plant-based laundry pod with Atlantic Coast fragrance. So it has about 25 pods. So each pod looks like this. So it has some detergent, conditioner and other materials. So we'll test the performance. So they recommend one pod for about 4 kg of load and 2 pods for about 7 or 8 kgs load. So now mine is about 4 kg or less than 4 kg. So we'll just test the performance of this. So you can see there is some dirt on my jeans at the bottom. So we will see the result after the wash. So you can see the pod actually dissolves, the cover of the pod actually dissolves in water, so there is no problem with that. And the contents of the pod get dissolved in the water. You can see the pod actually is dissolved. You can see the foam coming up. So we'll wait for the result. Stay tuned. So washing is completed. We will just can see the quality of the wash. There is no stain remover separately put in the machine, so you can see a slight small mark is still there, but looks like it has done a decent job. Even without the stain remover, it is quite clean now. Looks good. So main thing is this, we will see the turmeric mark. Yes, it is still there, but looks like it's a stubborn stain. So we need more powerful concentrate or a stain remover, dedicated stain remover for this. But it has done quite a decent job. I would like to highlight that the smell or fragrance is not overpowering. It's a mild oceanic fragrance, so it is good. It's a very mild fragrance. So overall it's a good one. Again, this is the pod Cloversoft Basic. There are many other brands available here in Singapore. We have Persil, then Dynamo, Breeze, Walsh, KA brand. So there are many other pods available. So I just opted for this. Later on I will try others too. Next time planning to try Dynamo laundry pod, which is quite popular here in Singapore. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.